Is your car's engine light on with code P0024? Before you panic or worse, pay a mechanic hundreds. This one simple fix could save your engine and your wallet. Stick around to the end because missing this step could cost you big time. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're tackling the P0024 trouble code, a common issue that can cause rough idling, poor performance, or even engine damage if ignored. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the possible causes and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. What is the P0024 code? It indicates the ECM has detected that the intake camshaft timing for bank 2 exceeds the level it has commanded. Common causes of P0024 code: faulty camshaft position actuator solenoid, low or dirty engine oil, timing chain or belt problems, wiring or connector issues, failed ECU or sensor. Here are simple methods to fix P0024 code. Method A: oil change. Tools need: socket wrench, oil collection pan, funnel, new oil filter, fresh oil, airtight container. Locate the oil drain plug underneath your vehicle and place a collection pan beneath it. Use a socket wrench to remove the plug, allowing the oil to drain completely. Once drained, reinstall and tighten the drain plug securely. Locate the oil filter near the oil pan or engine. Place the collection pan under it to catch residual oil. Remove the old filter, apply fresh oil to the new filter's gasket, and install it. Tighten it an additional 3/4 turn, avoid over-tightening. Locate the oil fill cap on top of the engine, clean it, and remove it. Insert a funnel and pour the recommended oil amount. Check your owner's manual. Replace the cap securely, start the engine and let it run for a minute to circulate oil. Turn off the engine, then check the dipstick wipe, reinsert, and pull it out again. The oil level should be near the full mark. Add more if needed. Transfer cooled used oil into a sealed container. Recycle it at an auto shop or recycling center. Method B: camshaft oil control valve, tools needed, valve cleaner, multimeter, replacement valve if needed. Found in engines with variable valve timing (VVT). Carefully detach the valve from the engine. Use valve cleaner to remove debris. Test resistance with a multimeter. At 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, resistance should be 6.9 to 7.9 ohms. No reading. Replace the valve, reattach the clean valve, or install a new one if faulty. After fixing the issue, clear the code with your OBD2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. If the light stays off, you fixed it. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.